Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Light channel. Today I'll talk about Astar network targets updates with my customer Chris. What's going on now, guys? I'm in Astar network, so a lot of people ask it. So what tokens are you hold? I'm hold, for example, the Astar network. So this is one of not so many tokens which I hold, and I wait the main targets. I wait the Astar network over that at least 20 cents. I think when the all Polkadot ecosystem will pump. I hope and follow the Polkadot, the Dotcoin, the parachains. I think the Astar network also will perform. And Astar network kind of confused me because they posted just, I guess, millions some partnership, millions good news, millions some, I don't know, some upgrades, updates, the partnership with the Sony, the Sonium, and nothing happened and only down. So it looks weird. For me, it looks weird. So mass adoption and some partnership in Asian markets. It's crazy. And we go down to historical low in April to, that was the, let me show you, 2 cents, 2 cents, 0.74. It's weird in June. So last month, we formed the historical low. And if we not recover back now, I guess the August can be red or the September can be red, and it can be so bad for the Astar network. So so this token I hold, but I so confused how they show the great marketing, right? But it has nothing to do with the price of the token. So for me personally, is like a mystery. All right. So the bullish targets now, it's 4 cents, 65. It's first monthly gap. This one and the next one, so we get 2 monthly gaps. Next one is 10 cent 34 and 12.54. So I hold much lower, much higher price targets, and it's hard to say about how high this token can pump, because there is no fee, nothing. This is just basically, looks like a range. I'm not count this crazy week. If we should count this crazy weekend in Gatorade, usually we can come back and close the 50% of this week. $1 price for the Astar network sounds realistic, right? But sounds like crazy. Why? Because circulation supply, 96% in circulation supply. So it's around 8.14 billion. It's good because almost all tokens in circulation supply. But the problem with no hype around. If we check on rounds, here is a strategic round. Imagine we dump it to strategic round to 2 cents. So this is what I share with you recently. They almost every single time the early investors, if they got a interest in this token, after dump, they drop token to, the seed rounds, right? And after that, start pump it again. But Series A rounds, guys, they in profit now, 124%. So, and by the way, it's User Labs and this guys, this one, Hashkey Capital. So it's kind of big guys. I hope they will not dump to 1 cent 25. I hope. But who knows? The people who invested in Zone 22 in IAO rounds on a Gate.io Launchpad, they in losses like 88%. It's kind of weird. So the good moment also. So 8.14 billion tokens, in circulation supply, but 2 billion in staking. So there's the Astar portal you can check. So like 2.14 billion. So in staking. So we can say 6 billion tokens into the market. That's why $1 price, it's 6 billion market capitalization. If we talk about other tokens like Pepper reached 9 billion capitalization. So guys, everything possible. And if we will see some good news for the Astar network, we need some hype, we need some pumps, we need some A3 for this token. Like conclusion, yes, $1 price, like psychological trigger, it's possible to see the 5 billion, 6 billion market capitalization for this token. But we don't see any hype. A lot of great news, right? But nothing happened at, like, let me show you. Nothing happened in general. So a lot of here is a Sonium for all, gaming app, incubator, for Sony, contribution score, as evolution phase, blah, 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 all this stuff, a lot of news, a lot of updates, partnership with Animoca brands, strategic investments, and nothing happening. So for me personally, it's kind of weird, but I hope it's not just like trash talk for this talk, and I hope these guys have a plan. Not just because I'm investor, no. I'm in losses now. My entry around, I guess, around 5 cents, so I'm in losses now around 45%. In losses, it's okay. I'm with the main targets. Will I out at 10 cents? My withdraw my initial deposit? I think not. I think for Astar network, I will hold till my main targets. For example, like with algo. So at least I'm wait. So local one, it's a test for sure. It's 11 cents, 12 cents. Because, guys, we always, when we see this downtrend move, we come back and test 50%. So this is a monthly favorable gap. So I'm more than sure we're going to test one day 10 cents 96. So definitely it's going to be just a 50% of this drop. And after that, it can be like, if we count this FEEP, it can be 30 cents, 48 cents, 66, 77, maybe, but it's possible. So let's be real, it's not sound like unrealistic gains, unrealistic targets. The problem only with that, the problem was the marketing. So we got like great marketing, but nothing happened in general. Take a look how it's how this model playing out previously here. This is what I talk about here. As a top, a drop, low, bounce 0.5. Now we drop it under that low. That's why when we close the 50% of the FEEP, we can remove the FEEP and draw another one. That's why logically, I guess we got a potential to pump at least this summer or September, to 10 cents. If we count, like this one, I always usually use this FEEP for global one. And here, this is a top support, first stop, consolidation, bounce, 27 block. 27 block usually playing out like accumulation. And once again, even by this FEEP, not from the bottom, 12 cents at fulfill of monthly gap, it's a trigger. So believe it or not, but one day, I guess we will go to 10 cents. First of all, like a psychological trigger. Next one, it's 12 cents, 44 to close the full fill. After that, we need to break, this high of 20 cents for Astar network if we want to talk about an uptrend move. So that's the point, guys. And here, if we count like this one here, 52 cents also possible, 52.83. So let's say 3 billion market capitalization at 50 cents possible target. So it's realistic. It's not some like crazy gains for this stock and because of market capitalization or so. Maybe more tokens will be staked, right? We can't know. But build anyway. Build a realistic entry. Entry now, it's more than comfortable. And if you feel uncomfortable, for example, to hold this token, don't gamble with DCA strategy because it's not a solution. But for example, if you want to in now, let's say at 3 cents, at 6 cents, you can withdraw initial deposit and ride with the free tokens. I at least wait, test 10 cents and 12 cents to take a decision to withdraw my initial deposit and ride with the free tokens or leave it, So that's a question. So guys, take a look now with my customer Astar, what's going on now with Astar network. So here, this was accumulation. Here was accumulation at 4 cents. We pump it to almost 20 cents. Here's the same story. Here's a accumulation, and we form the warranty. Biggest the warranty ever on weekly time frame. So now we're in the middle. Can we drop lower? Of course we can. This is accumulation based on direction indicator on the weekly. But anyway, this is not like a distribution zone. Distribution zone going to be here. So at the top. Now we're just inside the middle, just trying to test the middle line. Based on the market mood indicator, we're in disbelief. So nobody care about the Astar network. Nobody believe in it. So maybe it's great time to buy. Monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, we drop under middle line, middle zones. Soon we're gonna test the accumulation on direction indicator. No signal to buy by whales on a monthly. Here was a signals to out of the token. Here's still a free. So this is what I don't like. A lot of tokens in disbelief even on the monthly. But I wish to see, of course, the pumps, and after that correction and continuation higher. Because this is a so disappointed token, personally for me. Money power gas indicator here. Some whales accumulated aggressively for some reason since March. So at 2 cents 72, 2 cents round number, 2 cents 50, 2 cents 0.74. So the most likely they average entry around 2 cents and 3. So definitely here at this monthly gap, we can see some fixation profit, but time to out of Astar network. Let's add alert on the monthly. Monthly on the monthly outflow, I wish to see the trigger and alert like it happened in February 24. Now, I don't see any reason why they're out of Astar network. So I hold it. I hold it as it's not because I wish to see the pump. No, just because of pure speculation. So now no signal by logic to out of this token. Here's a money inflow was on a weekly time frame at 3 cents. MACD bullish divergence, RSI bullish divergence. So a lot of bullish signals. At least locally, we need to trade in this block and find some rejection at 4.10.7, and after that test the block of maybe fixation local swings, and take a look, take profit, trade on, guys. Indicators, trade on. We got a sell, buy back, sell. Here's the only signals to buy back, no main signal to buy. On the monthly, nothing at all. Take profit, guys. On the weekly, why it's also the good reason to accumulate now as the network, I guess. It's fundamental value. We trade under fundamental value. It's 3 cents 73. It's fundamental value. Buy line 4.95. Take profit 9.83. Exit line 11.18. So this is a local zones. What I wish to see. When? Hard to say. So it can be even this move and go higher. So this is it, guys. I truly believe we're gonna sweep the high of 20 cents and maybe even the sweep 35 cents. Should we go to 50 cents or $1? Time will show us. Time will show us. We need some hype. We need some marketing. We need some money inflow, the crazy money inflow into that token. So guys, I hope you like this video. My targets, middle term, I explained it to you. Let's wait the first trouble area like 10 cents. And after that, I will make updates what I will do with this token. I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my customer, because I would have showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.